This summer, I interned at Los Alamos National Laboratory in the Material Synthesis and Integrated Devices Division to further the Green Energy Initiative in the fabrication of ion exchange membranes for energy conversion devices.
This summer at CAMICS, I had the opportunity to do research with custom powder bed fusion machines and the ability to go to Corpus Christi Army Depot to help for a month regarding engineering and administrative problems with their aircrafts.
This summer, I had the privilege and opportunity to work as a research assistant with additive forging and also the ability to go to Corpus Christi Army Depot to help for a month regarding engineering and administrative problems with the aircrafts.
This summer, I interned at the DevCom Army Research Lab in the Material Science and Technology branch. It was a great learning experience applying additive manufacturing techniques in soldier applications.
This summer, I had the opportunity to intern at EOS in Austin as a metal test lab intern working in various projects such as copper, nickel, and tungsten.
This summer, I had the privilege of interning at the Oak Ridge National Laboratories in the Composites Innovation Group, where I characterized warpage and how it relates to the manufacturing process parameters.
This past summer, I worked at the Los Alamos National Laboratory under the Fuel Cell Program to further the initiative of polymer characterization with applications in clean hydrogen production.